Good morning, students. Welcome to my class of standard 9th subject mathematics part 2 chapter 9 mensuration. My dear students, today we are going to continue practice set 9.1. In my previous video I have completed till sum number 4. Now today directly we are starting sum number 5 without wasting time. So your sum number 5 is volume of a cuboid is 34.50 cubic meter. 34.50 cubic meter. Volume of a cuboid. Okay. Breadth and height of cuboid is 1.5 meter. Breadth is 1.5 meter and height is 1.15 meter. Okay, and you have to find the length of cuboid. Length of cuboid is missing. So you can see here in this sum, okay, volume is given here. So when volume is given here, you will use the formula of volume only. You will not use the formula of total surface area or any other formula. You have to use the formula of volume only. Okay, so your volume formula is length into breadth into height. L into B into H is equal to 34.50. Okay, 34.50 cubic meter. So L into B into H is equal to 34.50 is the volume. Now breadth is 1.5, length is not given, breadth is 1.5 and your height is 1.15 is equal to 34.50. Very easy till here. Okay, volume formula is this, length is missing, breadth and height is given, okay, volume is given. Now this both the numbers are multiplied here, this number will come here and becomes divide, you know very well. Therefore length is equal to 34.50 upon 1.5 into 1.15. Okay. See now my dear students, we cannot divide now directly. Why? Because in the denominator we have point here. Your point is there in the denominator. So you have to remove the decimal point. Okay. You have to remove the decimal point from the denominator. This is very important. Like that you cannot divide. Okay. So therefore length is equal to 34.50 upon, here after decimal point one digit is there. So I will multiply by 10. 1.5 multiply by 10 I will do. And here after decimal point 2 digits are there. So I will multiply by 100. To remove the decimal point I will multiply by 100. So up also I will multiply by 10 and I will multiply by 100. Okay. So I will continue here. All of you have understood how to remove the decimal point. Now here 3, 4, 5 ones will be same. 3, 4, 5. Okay. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. After decimal point there are 2 digits here. So I will leave 2 numbers from back side. I will put the point here. This 2 will be cancelled. 3, 4, 5, 00. And here it will become 15 and 115. If you will multiply by this 10, point will get cancelled. Here also point will get cancelled. Okay. So here you will get 15 and here you will get 115. And here the point is shifted. 3, once again I am saying 3, 4, 5 ones will be same. Okay. 3, 4, 5 ones will be same. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have written here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So after decimal point there are 2 digits. So leave two numbers from backside and put the point. So here now you got it. Okay. Length is equal to 34500 upon 15 into 115. Now you have to do the cancellation. So cancellation is also very easy. Okay. So you can see here 115, 15 3s are 45 होता है. 15 3s are 45, right? 15 3s are 45. तो 115 into 3 करेंगे तो 100, 3 करेंगे तो you will get 345. 115 3s are 345 and this 200. Okay, this 20 will come. So 115 3s are is 345. Then you know 15 table you know very well. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. Therefore length is equal to 20 meter. Okay, length is equal to 20 meter. Very easily you got the answer. Even though the units here, this all things are in point, decimal point, still we can find out the answer very easily. Okay, so you have to, in this sum, you have to keep in mind how to remove the decimal point. Decimal point kaise nikalne ka, that you should know in the denominator first of all. Okay, and then only you can divide. This is the process to remove the decimal point. Okay, please copy it down. After getting the answer, you have to write the last statement. The length of a cuboid is, last statement. Okay, the length of a cuboid is 20 meter. Every time I will not say that you have to write the last statement. Compulsory you have to write the last statement. Okay, in word problem again I am saying, as I told you in the previous video also, in word problem last statement is compulsory. Please copy it down. Okay, now come to sum number 6, practice set 9.1. Sum number 6 is, what is the volume of a cube having length of h 7.5 centimeter. So length, side is given, length of h, okay, of a cube, length of h of a cube, or you can write length of a cube. Okay, length of a cube is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Okay, edge means side. Okay, edge means side. The length of edge of a cube is 7.5 centimeter. You want volume of a cube. Volume of a cube is equal to question mark. So what is the volume of cube? You know very well. Now volume of a cube is L cube. Okay, L cube, side cube. So 7.5 ka cube you have to do. Cube means 3 times you will multiply. 7.5 multiply by 7.5 multiply by 7.5. 3 times you will multiply. Okay, so you have to multiply 3 times. First of all, you can multiply 75 into 75. Whatever answer you will get, multiply with 75, and then leave 3 numbers from back side, because here you can see after decimal point 1 digit, here also after decimal point 1 digit, here also after decimal point 1 digit. Okay, देखो पॉइंट के बाद 1 डिजिट है, पॉइंट के बाद में 1 डिजिट, हियर आल्सो पॉइंट के बाद में 1 डिजिट. So total 3 digits are there. Leave 3 numbers from back side. So if you will multiply this all, you will get 421.875. 421.870. See, 1 2 3. Now volume of a cube is this. Here you can see the third digit is 5. ये थर्ड डिजिट 5 है, you have to drop it and you can increase 1 here, means 421.88 cubic centimeter. ये 5 है, this 5 digit is there. Okay, if it is 5 or more than 5, अगर 5 या 5 से ज्यादा रहेगा, then you have to drop that number, drop it and increase 1, यहाँ पे एक बढ़ा देने का, तो इट विल बिकम 88. आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉइंट वी नीड 2 digits. Okay, after decimal point we don't want 3 digits, we need only 2 digits चाहिए हमको. आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉइंट वी नीड ओनली 2 digits. तो यहाँ पे 3 है digits, इसको ड्रॉप कर देने का. अगर सपोज इट इज लेस देन 5, सपोज 3 है, 4 है, इट इज लेस देन 5, तो डायरेक्टली यू कैन ड्रॉप इट, नो नीड टू इंक्रीज देन. सपोज अगर इधर 4 होता, बाई चांस इधर होता 4, ओके, तो डायरेक्टली यू वुड हैव ड्रॉप दैट 4, okay, and it will be same answer. But now here it is 5 है, 5 या more than 5 रहेगा तो you have to drop that and increase 1. So 4 to 1.88 is the answer for sixth one. See, very easily you got the answer of sixth one. Okay, now come to sum number 7. Practice set 9.1. Sum number 7 is radius of base of a cylinder is 20 centimeter. Radius of base of cylinder, you know that object. Okay, so radius of the base of cylinder is 20 centimeter and its height is 13 centimeter. Height is 13. There is no need to draw the diagram. Okay, find its curved surface area and total surface area. Pi value is given 3.14. So I am writing here radius of base of a cylinder. It is given in the question. Radius of the base of cylinder is 20 centimeter, 20 cm. Okay. Height of cylinder. Height of cylinder is 13 centimeter, 13 cm. 13 centimeter. Radius of base of cylinder is 20 centimeter. Height of cylinder is 13 centimeter. Okay. Find its curved surface area. Curved surface area is not given. You have to find out, and you have to find out total surface area. Total surface area you have to find out. Okay, pi value is given 3.14. Okay, pi value, you know the pi value of pi. Value of pi is 3.14 or 22 upon 7. There are two values of pi. Okay, but in the question it is given 3.14. In the question it is given 3.14. So you have to use this value only. You will not use this value. Please keep in mind. Okay, whichever value is given here, whichever value is given to you, that value you have to use. Either 3.14 or 22 upon 7. So pi value is given 3.14 in the question. Is that clear? So now you have to find out curved surface area. Curved surface area of cylinder. So curved surface area of cylinder formula is 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. Okay, curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. So 2 multiplied by pi value is 3.14. Okay, r is 20 and height is 13. So all the numbers you have to multiply. Okay, if you multiply a full number, you will get 1632.8. 1632.8 square centimeter, because it is area. Area is always in square centimeter. Is that clear? So 1632.8. If suppose 0 is here, you can put the 0 or you can drop the 0. Okay, answer, you will get full marks. Keep in mind, if you write here 0, then also it's okay. If you will not write 0, then also it's okay. Now curved surface area, you got it very easily. All you will multiply, leave two numbers from back side, you will get the answer. Okay. Then you want total surface area. Also total surface area of a cylinder. This is of cylinder only, so total surface area is equal to, formula is 2 pi r into bracket r plus h. So 2 multiplied by 3.14, pi value, r is 20 into bracket 20 plus 13. So 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 20 into 33. 20 plus 13 is 33. So all you will multiply. When you will multiply all the numbers, you will get 4144.8. 4144.80 square centimeter. Okay. If you will not write 0, then also it's okay. 4144.8 square centimeter. So very easily you are getting the answer by using the formula itself. You can see the formula. You know the formula. Okay. You have to buy the formula. As I told you, curved surface area of cylinder is this. Total surface area of cylinder is this. Just put the value, multiply and write the proper units. You have to write the proper units. Okay. And after getting the answer, last statement is compulsory. You have to write the last statement. Again and again I am saying, please don't forget to write the last statement. Please copy it down. Okay, now come to sum number 8. This is the last sum of practice set 9.1. Okay, curved surface area of cylinder is 1980 centimeter square. So I am writing here curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 1980 centimeter square, or you can write square centimeter as you wish. Radius of its base is 15 centimeter. Radius of its base, radius of its base is 15 cm, 15 centimeter. Okay. Find the height of the cylinder. Height is equal to question mark. You have to find the height of the cylinder. So now you can see here, curved surface area is given here, 1980 centimeter square. So you will use the formula of curved surface area only. You will not use any other formula. So curved surface area of cylinder, you know, 2 pi r h is equal to 1980. 2 pi r h. Okay. And pi value is given in the question 22 upon 7. So 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7. You will not take 3.14. Please keep in mind. Because in the textbook, it is given 22 upon 7. So same value you have to take. Okay. So 2 pi r, r is 15 and h is not given, equal to 1980. Okay. So no cancellation here. Directly you can shift the numbers. This is in the denominator. It will come up and these numbers will come down. Numerator number will come in the denominator. So therefore, h is equal to 1980 into 7 upon 2 into 22 into 15. Now you have to do the cancellation. Okay. So cancellation is also very easy. So whenever you will see 22, you have to divide by 11. Because 22 is coming in the table of 11. 11 2s are 22. Okay. 11 1s are 11. Remaining 8. 88 हो गया. 11 1s are 11. 8 remaining here. 88. 11 8s are 88 and this 0. Okay. Then 2 1s are 2. 2 9 जा 18, ये हो गया 90, 2 9 जा 18. Okay, very easy. 15 1 जा 15, you know 15 table, 15 6 जा 90, 15 6 जा 90. So h is equal to 6 into 7 upon 2 हो गया. Okay, 6 into 7 upon 2. 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6. So therefore height is equal to 21 centimeter. See, very easily you got the answer, height. So curved surface area is given 1980. तो उसका formula, that formula is 2 pi r h. So that formula only you will take. Curved surface का ही लेने का. Don't take total surface area formula. You have to take curved surface area formula. Okay. So 2 pi. Pi value is given 22 upon 7. R is 15. H is not given. This will come here and divide. Okay. How to do the division also I told you in a table of 11. First 11 2 za, 11 180 za, 2 1 za, 2 90 za, 15 1 za, 15 6 za. Okay, 6 into 7 upon 2, 2 3 za 6, 21 centimeters. So you got the answer. Last statement you have to write. Okay, please copy it down. Okay, now my dear students, listen to me. Problem set 9, first sum. Problem set 9, first sum is related with this exercise 9.1. Okay, that is why I am showing you sum number 1. Problem set 9 का first sum number 1 I am showing you because it is related with 9.1. Okay, so here diameter of a roller, you know roller is in cylindrical shape, cylinder रहता है roller, it is in cylindrical shape. So diameter of a roller is given, diameter of a roller is given 0.9 meter. This is the diameter of a roller, and its length means height, length means height, height is given 1.4 meter, and you want how much area of a field will be pressed in 500 rotations. How much area roller will cover in 500 rotation. So first of all we will find out how much area is covered in one rotation. एक बार rotation, in one rotation, see in one rotation में how much area will be covered. Okay, so for that you will use the formula of curved surface area. So curved surface area of roller you will use. So okay, so now curved surface area of road roller, okay, is equal to 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. Formula is 2 pi r h. Okay, and 2r means, you know, 2r means diameter. 2r will be diameter. So I am writing here d pi h, because 2r is equal to d, diameter. 2r is equal to d. 2 and r, okay, means d. 2r is equal to d. So I am writing here d pi h, or you can write pi dh. Okay, instead of that you can write pi dh. Okay, pi dh. So pi value is given here 22 upon 7. Diameter is 0.9 and height is 1.4. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, means 0.2. If you will multiply all, you will get the answer 3.96 square meter. So area covered in one rotation will be 3.96. Therefore area covered in one rotation is equal to 3.96 square meter. मतलब in one rotation, suppose roller will rotate only once, so how much area is covered? 3.96. But how many times the roller has rotated? 500. Therefore area covered after 500 rotations is equal to 500 multiplied by 3.96. So if you multiply with this 500 multiplied by 3.96, you will get 1980 square meter. 1980 square meter. If you multiply this, you will get 1980. And after getting the answer, you have to write the last statement. So I hope you have followed this sum. Diameter is given. There is no need to do the half. Radius निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है, because 2 pi r h. 2r means d होता है. देखो 2r means d. So pi d h. Just put the values. Okay. You will get the curved surface area. Curved surface area मतलब area covered in one rotation. एक rotation में इतना area cover हुआ. तो 500 rotation में how much area will be covered? 1980. Please copy it down. And I hope you understood. Okay, we have completed 9.1. In my next video, we will start 9.2. So please don't miss the video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.